It's Joanne. So I wanted to show you that we really love this Crock-Pot that we have. It provides us with really effortless cooking for meal prepping or daily family meals. So you can set this with the digital programmer and forget it. You can go from 30 minutes to up to 20 hours. It's perfect for tender meats in our meals every time. It feeds our crowd with a 6-quart capacity. It could serve up to 7 or more people. So it's really perfect for family dinners, parties, and get-togethers. You can travel with it because the lid comes with the sealable that's attached to the lid, so it's easy to carry. No spills, no worries on getaways that are away from the house. You could use the bowl in the oven for up to 400 degrees. It's removable. So you can have it in the oven for up to 400 degrees, and you can use it in the microwave. It's really durable with the stainless steel and aluminum exterior. We keep ours on the counter because I think it has a sleek, modern design. It goes with the style. Listen, we use our Crock-Pot at least twice a week and have the most convenient, delicious, and tender meals. We love it.